Hi friends, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are well. Guys, in this video I'll show you how to export, import and delete your browser bookmarks. Hope this video will helpful for you. So let's start the video. Guys, for this process I'm using my Google Chrome browser. Friend, this method will work for other browsers. Now for export browser bookmarks, click on this three dot symbol, then go to bookmarks, then click on bookmark manager, or you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus O button from the keyboard. So here you can see my bookmark manager. Now to export bookmarks, click on this three dot symbol again, then click on export bookmarks. Now you need to select save location. I am selecting my desktop. Okay, save. Now if I show you, here you can see my bookmarks HTML file. Now friends, I am going to show you how you can delete bookmarks from your browser. If you want to delete single bookmarks, then click on this icon, then click on delete. Now if you want to delete multiple bookmarks, then press on Ctrl button from the keyboard and select your bookmarks page, which page you want to delete, and then click on delete. Now if you like to delete all your bookmarks at a time, then from the keyboard press Ctrl plus A button. Here you can see my 69 bookmarks selected, and then click on delete. Here you can see my all bookmarks delete. In this way you can delete your bookmarks. Now guys, I am going to show you how you can import bookmarks on your browser. For import bookmarks on your browser, again go to your bookmarks manager, then click on this symbol and click on import bookmarks. Now you need to select your save bookmarks HTML file. Here you can see my save bookmark HTML file. So select your bookmark HTML file, then click on open, and here you can see all my bookmarks imported successfully. So friends, in this way you can import, export and delete your bookmarks from your browser. So friends, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you are, please click on the like button. If you have any questions, please comment below. Subscribe now for more upcoming tech videos on this channel. So thanks for watching this video. Please stay safe. See you in the next video.